When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. Love is...
This is the before look of my desk. Let's move on to cleaning and dusting. I'll first start by cleaning my desk and moving things away so that I can paint it later. This was a simple brown pot which I DIY'd. I'll soon share the process. There are so many random things which you'll find on my desk which I don't even know about. I printed these cute pictures a while ago from Pinterest which I'll use later for my room. So here I'm moving things away so that I can quickly start with the dusting process. This was the second hardest part, to be honest. Maximum things you see on my desk are DIY'd.
Why won't you go away? You say you hate me but you stay and be my life. Why do you want to bring my all and love me at the same time? Stupid bitch, you can't put my love and lose my fucking mind. What did I do to deserve this?
So done with the first section, more two are left. Here is the mirror which I was desperately trying to remove, but it didn't, and it finally shattered into pieces. It was so hard to remove the mirror, I even got hurt. So please don't do such things like me. But I still was unable to remove it completely, so I just gave up at last. I cleaned out the second section too and moving to the third and last section. As the process goes, first moving the things out and then dusting.
I'm pretty sure I hate you.
I used to collect these. I'm not sure what they are called though, I guess badge. I also use small containers to store small beads, glitters and other random stuff. So these are all of my stuff which I took out from my desk. Okay, now comes the hard part, which is painting. I did many mistakes because I just started painting. I didn't research anything before painting. Also, this was my first time painting a furniture. Always learn from mistakes. Then I read and watched videos that first you should use sandpaper, you should make the surface rough, and then there are several steps before and after painting any article. This took a lot of hard work and many days because you have to have patience in it. You paint one coat, then you have to wait for one night. I painted around 3 to 4 coats and then it looked opaque enough. Organizing. I cleaned all my pen stands and threw away my old pens which were not working or which I don't use anymore. I repainted and painted them so that they look better and new. I also reused old boxes or any kind of glass by painting them or sticking white paper on it. White color is hard to maintain, but you got to maintain the aesthetic vibes. It easily gets dirty and yellowish, so repainting them is a good option instead of throwing them away. Remember, recycling is good for our planet. So later on I decided to stick sticker on it. After deciding which one to pick, I finally decided with this pink butterfly sticker. So here's a quick DIY which you can make for your room or desk. This is a printable which I found on Pinterest. I'll link it down below. I printed it out and then folded as it was mentioned. I'll make a separate video for desk DIYs. I decided to put these vines on the edges of my desk using some tape.
그렇다면 오늘 저녁 네가 편한 곳 어디든지 말해줘 난 준비돼 있어 어디까지 간대도 끝까지 게 있어 Yeah 네가 너무 보고 싶어 babe
Now I'll put back all my things back on my desk.
인천에 너에게 갈게 늦기 전에 에이 뭘 먹고 싶어 빨리 정해줘 나 빠르게 갈게 Within 전에 yeah, yeah.
This is another DIY which I made with popsicle sticks.
What I got to say is love you. I just take a drink, gotta meet you.
I was actually going for a clean and less cluttered aesthetic, so I switched many things up. I thought to add this plant but then decided not to because it will look cluttered, because adding too much stuff on my desk distracts me. So I tried to keep less stuff on my desk. I put those stuff on this tray which I need frequently so that I can simply take this tray out whenever I need it. In here I recycled these lids of boxes by sticking marble print on it. You can stick any print of your choice. I wanted to go with the theme. This is a good storage idea. By stacking them up, it takes less space and looks neat. Containers and trays makes them easily accessible and movable. You can easily carry them around your house if you want to switch up your location. Here I added another tray so that I can just pull it out and use it. Use pouches to store stuff. I kept all my lace, ribbons, etc. inside it so that they are not all over the place.
인천 안에 네 맘속으로 나갈게
내가 너무 늦지 않았기를 바래. 인천 안에 네 맘속으로 나.
나 방금 탔어 train 인천에 너에게 갈게 늦기 전에 에이 뭘 먹고 싶어 빨리 정해줘 나 빠르게
To hide the broken mirror part, I glued this quote print on it.
Yeah, you got me, babe. What I got to say is love you. I just take a drink, gotta meet you. All I want is you.
This is the after look of my desk. It turned out just how I wanted it to be.
난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어
I hope you like this video and thank you for watching till here and picking this video. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also make sure to watch other videos of mine. Meet you in my other video. Bye guys.
남겨